Alright, good morning, 5:02 a.m. It is April 2nd today, and market's currently red on the day so far. So gonna mark some levels to get going here. We have SPY, gonna start with the SPY and Qs. So past couple days the market's rallied up, past 2 days at least, and then today it gapped down, so pretty interesting. The market's just been kind of crazy. So let's draw some levels here. Obvious areas of support and resistance I'm gonna draw that are standing out to me, starting with support here. Resistance. We're gonna start with 651 for the high, and then for the low, let's see, bring that back up. For support here, 634. So just basing off of what we see when we look left. So always looking left here. Qs, let's see, down 11 bucks, 2% on the day already. Let's look left, see where we're at. Shrink that up a little bit. So area of resistance here, going off this range up here. Area of resistance being like 583. And then area of support 555. So let's do that. Okay. So area and support and resistance are drawn for Qs and SPY. Just gonna thumb through the stocks here and draw our support and resistance. Let's see. Apple doesn't really have any volume. Can still draw our support and resistance though. Resistance 256. Area support 245. Nvidia here still just been range bound. Nvidia always in play though. Area of resistance here 177. Like to see price get to there before I make a move. Low being 165. PLTR. Area of resistance 147. Has some nice touch points there. If we look left, area support seems where price is gravitating towards. I'm marking is 126. So Google here. Looking at the weekly, okay. Google weekly here, area of resistance I'm drawing pretty close to where the price is, 291. Area of support I'm drawing is 270. That's good to me. AMD. Area of resistance here I'm drawing 214. Lots of touch points there. Area of support being 194. It's also floating around that $200 level. Amazon. Area of resistance 212, area support 198. MU's had a lot of volume these past couple days. This is something I should watch. Alright, area of resistance here. Let's go to the daily, see what the daily looks like. Kind of in a funky spot here. Area of resistance 356. Area of support. What we're going to do is 325. So let's see, SanDisk, SNDK. Decent amount of volume, 800,000 shares. Area of resistance here, I'm drawing 667. Area of support around 628. Tesla has some decent volume today. Tesla's been in a nice channel to the downside. A little bit of a trend going here for it. Let's see, right thing. Let's go to the, okay, we're on the daily. Let's check out the weekly. Alright, looking left here. Area support, I'm just going to draw the low of this weekly candle that it's at. Which will be around 354. Area of resistance here. Gonna go based off the candles to the left. So about 381. Melting off really fast here. Meta's down 20 bucks on the day, 3.3%. So area support, I'm drawing 530, area of resistance, pretty much the high of the weekly candles, being 590, 586. NBIS down 5.5%. In a bit of a range here. Area support I'm drawing, standing out, is the $89 level. Area of support, resistance 106. Can also consider $100 level. SMCI, nothing. ES. Keep an eye on ES here. Area of resistance, pretty much where the price is at. It's at a key level. It's pretty close there. I'd like to see price gravitate up towards there and see what happens with price action. Let's see, let's put that for MES. Definitely trading the micros if we do. Let's bring that up a little higher. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Alright, MNQ here. Let's get that going. MNQ looking good. MES. So be interesting to see what the stock does at the open, or the futures does for MES. I mean MNQ. You can see VWAP is right at the box. Let's look at Microsoft. Microsoft has had some decent volume past couple weeks here. Area of support gonna be 345. Area of resistance here, pretty much where the price is at. Going based off of looking left here. That's good to me. Alright, let's see. Alright, let's see. SQYQ. Just looking at some of these other tickers here that have a lot of volume going on. Don't know anything about this company. Obviously very cheap. Has 90 million shares pre-market though, lots of volume. Let's see. Oxy. Man, Oxy's been running up. Just going way left here on the weekly chart. Oxy's been very strong past couple weeks. Might as well get the rectangle going there. Let's see. Actually, let's redo that. So to me, 65 looks good. Area of resistance. Area of support being the low of this weekly candle around $60. Let's see, XOM been rallying very nicely here. Beginning to slow down a little bit. Area of resistance for XOM 165. Area of support like 162. Yeah, we'll do that. Alrighty. So I think we have everything set up we're looking for. So need to wait and just let stocks test my levels I've marked before I take an entry here. Let's add our pivot points back. If you look at how tight these pivots are on here, on at least Apple, see how tight they are relative to yesterday's range? This is due for a breakout. Typically when the pivot ranges are tight, market's due for a breakout, so that's pretty interesting there. Thing is, you want to probably be near the cam pivots though. So you've already so extended on Nvidia from those. PLTR's near S6. Google nowhere. Alright, bathroom break, I'll be back. due to the market conditions, it'd be interesting to see if SPY and Qs don't try to rally back up to around the S6 level and then sell off again. I don't know. Just never know with the market these days. MU near S6 as well. Everybody's just hanging kind of below S6. Let's see. Man, Tesla's getting crushed. All right, market opens in 3 minutes. MES is through the box right now. I withdrew MNQ. Moving up to VWAP here. Let's put some stocks up on our other charts. Dang, Tesla sold off so aggressively at the open. Alright, market's open. Ding, ding, ding. Markets open. SNDK's already made its way up. Two-hour level. MNQ flipped over here. Seems weak. There's lots of volume. I want to see if this is going to pop. If not, look for a short. Lots of liquidity here at this level on MNQ. Oh, look at the tape. Take 2 contracts short here. See if this is going to move down out of this range. Volume's picking up, which is nice. MNQ is a really good short. See if MES can do the same and follow suit. Seems weak. Added 2 more contracts here to the downside. See if this is gonna push. Be nice if this pushed. There's my first target level. Squeezing back up. Still consolidating. Price action looks a little funky. We're good. Yeah, it seems weak. Okay, I have 8 contracts. I have a big share size here. Looking for 65.16. When we get there, I'll take off half. I'm looking for 65.16. Almost there. Volume's picking up nicely. Alright, we just partialed some. I don't want to get out yet. There's lots of volume to the downside. Let's see where this goes. If it comes back to break even, I'm gonna get out, but secured a little bit of money. That was a huge seller right there. Lots of volume here, guys. There's a lot of volume. This 5 minute was really nice for us. Let's see. MNQ was solid for a breakdown. I want to see if we can lose this level here. If we can lose that level, the next level is going to be right there. Buyers are stepping in. That's a lot of volume. Okay, we're all out of that position. So $27 on that trade. Wow, look at that. Thing turned right over. Shit, man. Damn it, I missed out. Got out at break even just for this candle to almost engulf it. MNQ was the one. That was the ticker to trade right there. Can always get back in this if there's confirmation. Just have to reduce my share size drastically. Had a really good entry. Now we're kind of extended from VWAP. I don't like that. Yeah, we were looking good, man. Damn it. Damn it. Yeah, we were looking good. Fuck. Another 5 minutes about to close. 15-minute candle. so many things I gotta work on, man. So many things I gotta work on. It's like, this is a very easy scalp. Could have closed my position 8 contracts and made really good money. So I take 2 off and then close my position at break even. That's a lot of volume. Back to the upside. That guy's working his way up. SNDK here. It's a 15-minute. Excuse me. SPY and Qs look like they're trying to go green here. Just watching the price action on SNDK. Google double top action right now. Volume's very average. It's not really of interest. So this is definitely bullish price action here. Nice leg up. As we pull back here, volume pulls back. As we move up again, volume picks up. As we pull back, volume dies down. As we move up, volume picks up. Should expect volume to keep picking up here. SNDisk grinding here. Not much interest here on Google, I feel like. See that volume's dried down drastically as we test the high here. As we've been moving up, volume's dying down. Yeah, SNDK very strong. Meta moving up aggressively here. MBIS, same. Everything's looking bullish as of right now. So switching chart time frames here, 5, 15, 30. See if there's anything that's looking interesting on these bigger time frames. Nvidia's interesting to me. I'm not near the box though. It's the only thing I don't like. 5-minute here, 15-minute candle. Big indecision candle. Checking the double top right now, testing S5, S6. Really big levels at 170 and 180. Those are really far away though. A really nice scalp on MES that we didn't capitalize on as much as we should have with that first partial. ELTR looking bullish. Google grinding up. MU getting near the box. Go to MU options here. MU's ladder looks very bullish. Let's see what happens at that level on our box. See what the price action does. Spine Qs rallying strong. Drew. Alright, what's looking interesting? Anything interesting? Apple doesn't really seem to have much interest to the upside. It's below S6. Decent order at 250. It's where the big order is. We're engulfing there. Take a short on Apple here. Apple just doesn't seem interested to go up. We're below S6, rejected it nicely. There's a big order at 250. Maybe we can get to 250. Let's find out. So 200 shares short. Risking about $160 here. I will close my position if we break that high there. Really big order at 250. Let's see if we get there. It's looking good so far. We're looking for 250. That's where the next big order is. There just didn't seem to be any interest to the upside. There's lots of volume to the downside. Big sell-off candle, and then market just has to do its strong rally crap. But let's see. Can we at least test this low for a double bottom? That'd be ideal. So I'm watching Apple on my other chart here, but SNDK's volume up here is really low. So I'm still watching Apple. It's looking good so far. Still in Apple, guys. The 5-minute looks good to me. Hopefully for a continuation down, you can see it's decent volume with big red candle. Okay, our ping's good. Apple hasn't moved its full ATR just yet, so it's good for me. Around 250 is actually where it'll be around its average true range. So if this were to work out, 250 is the target. We gotta close it then, man. Can't keep bullshitting and getting greedy. So we have the limit order set. So if we can get there and get filled. Looking for 250 on Apple. Looking for that move down. It's starting to come back up here. See what this price action gives us. There's a lot of blue on the screen that's buying. If it's pushing up, that's lots of buying. We're at break even now. See, as we're pulling back, I mean, still a couple minutes till this candle closes. These green candles trying to pull back, volume's diminishing. Big red candle to the downside. That's good for us, but we just need some actual follow through with this. Lower left here, 15-minute candle. We really don't want to lose VWAP here. SNDK is getting toppy. Take 3 contracts here. So I'm short on SNDK. I'm looking for a pullback now. Still in Apple, so 2 trades right now. I'm looking for a pullback on SNDK. Still in Apple, guys. I'm still in SNDK. So 2 trades. I'm short stocks, Apple, and then contracts or options on SNDK. Both short biased right now. Looks like we're probably going to get stopped out on SNDK. Okay, we're out. SNDK took a big hit on that one, -7. We're still in Apple. May get stopped out on Apple as well. We'll see. Oh man, I've been getting my ass kicked. Trading's hard, man. It's like I could be sleeping right now, not be down $700. I've been getting nice restful sleep, right? Whatever. Gotta take chances. This is what I want to do full time one day, so gotta figure it out. Got to figure it out. Market's just grinding higher. I don't see why it doesn't just push up Apple as well with it, you know? Everything's still red on the day. PLTR trying to move up to the box. AMD as well. MU smashed the box. SNDK. It's a 5-minute chart. I was really going off of this 5-minute candle. Bought up, sold off. as we were moving up. A little bit of tweezer candles as we were grinding up. So those are my signals for wanting to take the short. And it just didn't work out, so. Meta struggling with this S4 level. Still in Apple, guys. I'm just watching Meta here. SNDK's finally having a bit of a pullback. More of the pullback that I was looking for. You can see we're finally starting to pull back a little bit. Apple, nothing going on. See what these next couple minutes bring. MU looks good to me for a short. Lost S3 there. I like this 15-minute candle. See if we pull back here. Still an Apple. So, still in Apple here, guys. Still in MU. Seeing if MU Apple can give me something. Apple probably gonna get stopped out here. It's getting really close. Lots of volume here. Market looks strong. Yeah, market's so strong. We're out there. Alright, we're for 3, man. We just had a huge red day again. Minus 13, minus 14. Okay. So with those combined 2 trades, Apple and MU just now, we lost 700 on that one, 700 on the first one, so down 14 on the day. Man, I'm just getting crushed. This has been like the worst month. The month just started, but March being the biggest, worst month I've ever had trading. And starting April off very poor as well. Very poor. So I don't know. This game will make you question your abilities, man. Sometimes you feel like you have it figured out, and then other times the market reminds you that you don't. Tough, yeah. Alright, I'm gonna wrap it up. There's no point in me still watching this stuff. Can't figure it out today. Market's closed tomorrow. It's good for me. Yeah, it's good for me. The market is just launching right now. Now it's like everything I do, if I just think the opposite, it seems like it'll work, right? Did the war just end or something? Look at this. This 5-minute candle on SPY. It's actually going green on the day. It's amazing. There's so much volume. Holy crap. Oh my gosh, look at all the blue. Did the war just end? Seemed like the war just ended. Or something. Some news had to just come out. Look at that candle. That is huge. Golly, man, if you were long down here to catch this break and then to have this just monster rally, shit, it'd be awesome. to do that. Tesla's really struggling. Look at that 5-minute candle, man. 5-minute candle is just colossal. Be curious to see what ME does here. That volume was crazy, man. To be on the right side of that would have been nice. This game is hard. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna just end the stream, call it. I'm just not doing good. Just not doing good, man. I mean, huge drawdown last month. Just had another big loss today, so. Yeah, I'm hop off. Alright, y'all. For whoever's in here, thank you. It's much appreciated. I'll be back at it again Monday. Probably just paper trading. I should probably just paper trade at this point. Obviously, I don't know. I shouldn't say I don't know what I'm doing, but it definitely feels like I don't know what I'm doing right now. The market will make you question yourself and your abilities, so it's been one of those months. So, yeah, I'll be back Monday. Thank you guys.